Yuri Herrera announced today the release of Nitrix 1.6 as one of the biggest updates to this Debian-based new Linux distribution for the masses. Coming up on Runboxing. The monthly Nitrix ISO release continue, and the Nitrix 1.6 release is here as a major update to the distribution that brings many new Linux technologies, updated apps, and lots of improvements, making Nitrix one of the best distros for home and office use. First and foremost, Nitrix 1.6 is one of the first new Linux distribution out there to ship with a live ISO image powered by the latest and greatest Linux 5.14 kernel series by default. Not only that, but Nitrix now supports Linux 5.4 and 5.10 LTS kernels, as well as the Linux library 5.10 and 5.13 kernels. The Linux kernel 5.14 is accompanied by some of the latest KDE goodies, as Nitrix 1.6 ships with the KDE Plasma 5.22.4 desktop environment, as well as the KDE Gear 21.08 and KDE Frameworks 5.85 software suites. After all, Nitrix is a KDE oriented distro, so users must have the best KDE Plasma desktop experience possible. If the latest KDE apps aren't enough for you, this release also ships with MIUI Apps 2.0 software suite, which includes apps like Buho, Clip, Communicator, Index, Nota, Pix, Shelf, Station, and vWave. MoiKit has been updated as well to version 2.0.1, and you can also enjoy the recently released LibreOffice 7.2 Office Suite. Nitrix is getting better and better, that's for sure, and now users can enjoy a new app called NX Software Center, which is graphical package manager for app images. It features 3 views: Store View to browse all available apps, Apps View to view all your downloaded apps, and Progress View to view the download progress of apps. The developer says the NX Software Center, NXSC for shorts, is a graphical front end to manage app images and only app images, and it's built using MoiKit 2.0.0, said developer Yuri Herrera. The app images as well as the data displayed in the application are fetched from appimagehub.com. Nitrix 1.6 also brings touchpad gestures by default on X11, power level 10K as the default ZSH theme, as well as 2 new Kevin scripts for moving maximizer windows to a new virtual desktop and apply a blur effect on user specified windows. Among other changes, this release removes the Plasma Discover package manager and the LMMS digital audio workstation from the default installation, improves rootfs reliability, and adds Nitrix Classic console color scheme to the correct path for apps that use QML term widget, can display it as an option. The developer said the future Nitrix releases will use their own rootfs instead of vanilla Debian unstable rootfs used until now. With that in mind, if you want to use Nitrix as your main Linux OS, you can download the Nitrix 1.6 release right now from the official website. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the thumbs up button. It helps make a good content for you. Other than that, I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace out.